Hello there, hello the multi-tempo report. Tutabo inyarian. En segundo lugar, no hay nada aquí ni allá. And then, before I forget, there is actually like a low chance of tropical cyclone formation. Where is it? Over here, but for some reason it isn't getting picked up by the system. So that's something I need to work on, but just a low chance on that one. So that brings us to Cyclone Lehar, however it's pronounced. Let's see this in the context. So there is one satellite view of it. Here is the actual satellite loop, and there is a zoomed out view of it. Per the India Meteorological Department. Meteorological is a really hard word for me to say some days. So, for the coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, the land hazards with that one are heavy rainfall, gale winds, rough seas, of course, some storm surge possibly, and they've got the damage expected and the action suggested if you're in those areas. So this thing moving in. So this thing is theoretically the rough equivalent, was it a Category 1 hurricane at the moment, but since if I remember correctly, it's like how the NHC, which is over in the Eastern Pacific and Atlantic basins, how they measure storms is different from a lot of how the other things measure with in regards to wind speeds and stuff. And so that's why I say the rough equivalent. So that might not actually, it might be stronger really than a Category 1 hurricane, or it could be less. So that is what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones right now. In the land of U.S. severe thunderstorm weather, there is actually 2 watches that are in effect right now. 2 tornado watches, in fact, for Florida and Georgia. Expires at 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. tonight. If we take a look at the areas in general, this is the map showing the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds. Hail is apparently not a big threat with these storms, but also a very, well, roughly speaking or whatnot, that is a pretty big area of 5% tornado chance for today. Tomorrow drops down to 5% total, as opposed to like as high as a 15% as it is today. And it's for this area tomorrow. North Carolina and Virginia. So that is what is happening there. And SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. That didn't feel like a segue at all. And WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. Let's see if we can zoom into it. So there you go. The remnants of Alessia. That would be the low chance of tropical cyclone formation. And that would be Cyclone Lehar. So that is what is happening. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.